You can program your Mercedes-Benz to open and close your garage door without having to keep up with a separate remote. There are two types of garage door openers: fixed code systems and rolling code systems. Fixed code systems transmit the same code every time you press the button on your remote and are generally older garage door openers. These are the easiest to program. Most newer garage door openers use rolling code systems, which generate a different code to open your garage door every time you press the button and are more secure. We'll talk more about these systems a little bit later. Before you begin, make sure you have your remote garage door opener with you. To begin programming, first clear the buttons on your rearview mirror to make sure they don't have anything programmed already. To do this, turn on the ignition so all the dashboard lights come on. Then, press and hold the first and third buttons on the mirror for about 20 seconds until the indicator light turns green. Now, you're ready to program. No matter if you have a fixed or rolling code system, start by pressing and holding the button you want to program. When the indicator lights up yellow, release the button and the indicator will begin flashing. Now, hold your garage door opener remote close to the mirror. Press and hold the button on the remote until the indicator light on the mirror either lights up green or flashes green. This could take up to 25 seconds. If the indicator lights up red or doesn't light up at all, try it again with the remote in different positions. If the indicator light turns green without flashing, this means you have a fixed code remote and you're done with the process. Now you can press the button on your mirror and open your garage door. If the indicator is blinking green, that means you have a rolling code system. The button in the car is programmed, but now you need to synchronize the car and the opener so it can keep up with the changing codes. To do this, first find the training button or smart button on the opener in your garage and press it. For more information about the location of your training button, refer to your garage door opener owner's manual. Within 30 seconds, return to your car. Press the button on the mirror in your car for 2 seconds and then release it for 2 seconds. Repeat this up to 3 times until it operates the garage door. When the door works, it means the button is now synchronized. If you have multiple garage door openers to program, simply repeat the process. You can program up to 3 openers. For your security, the buttons only work when the key is inside your vehicle. Now it's time to leave the remotes at home and enjoy the convenience of in-car controls thanks to Mercedes-Benz.